Okay, children, today we will discuss surface areas and volumes. Okay, 13.1 exercise, 9th cbse. Okay, children, first exercise I am going to discuss today. So, children, in this exercise we are going to discuss about the surface areas. Okay, areas. This is a cube. Children, if all sides are equal, that is called as cube. If all sides are equal, that is called cube. And if opposite sides are equal, that is called cuboid. All of you know that. All of you know that. Okay, children. 3D structure of square is cube. 3D structure of rectangle is cuboid, children. All sides are equal, it is cube. And opposite sides are equal, it is cuboid. Here, CSA. What CSA means? Children, what is CSA means? Take your room. The four walls of your room is CSA, children. Now what I am saying, the four walls of your room is CSA. Then you will ask what is TSA, sir? TSA means four walls, roof and floor walls will become TSA. And what? For both of you, we should write. Again, I am saying, if you take your room, which you are sitting, the four walls of your room is CSA or LSA. CSA or LSA is same. Curved surface area or lateral surface area. Since all sides are equal, children, all sides are equal. Please try to understand, children. All sides are equal here. Okay, so each side area is L square. You're able to understand, children? Each side is a square, no, children. Each side is a square. So L into L is L square. So four walls will be there. So 4L square is the CSA of cube. CSA of cube is 4L square. And including roof and floor, how many surfaces will be there, children?
6.
So what will be the formula here?
6L square.
6L square is the TSA. And the volume of cube is L cube. Volume of cube is what, children? L cube. This is centimeter square or meter square, meter square, meter cube. Okay, children? So CSA means four walls. TSA means four walls and up and down, roof and floor, and volume is L cube, children. Whereas, imagine, children, this one. Okay, imagine this one, children. This one, cuboid. Cuboid also same, children, but what is thing is, this is L, this is B, and this is H. Okay, children. Can anyone say? Can anyone say? This is floor and this is roof. What is the area of roof or floor? Anyone?
CSA minus floor or roof.
L into B, children, because it is a
L into
rectangle. Because it is a rectangle, no, children. L into B. Whether it is roof or floor, it is L into B. Try to understand, children. Area of a roof or floor. Area of a roof or floor, children. It is L into B, children. Try to understand. Okay, area of a roof or floor, it is L into B. Next, what are area of side walls, children? Anyone? Area of side walls. Area of side walls.
Sir, CS.
Area of side walls. Here one side wall, here side wall. Area of side walls.
Side walls is
B
2L.
into H. B into H. B into H. Children, see, area of base is L into B. Area of side wall is B into H. Can anyone say area of front and back? Front or back?
Same, sir. Same, sir.
Area of front is what? L into H.
LH.
LH. Okay, children, LH. Try to understand, children. So, try to understand, children. Area of front wall and back wall is L into H. Front wall and back wall will be same. Area of side walls will be DH. Area of roof and floor will be LB. If you understand this only, you can do anything, children. If not, you can't do. Again, I'm saying those who didn't understand. Again, I'm saying slowly. You see, children. Okay. Those who didn't understand, please see here, children, slowly. I will try to make you understand, because you should understand, children. When I'm doing the sums, you should not keep blank face, children. Blank faces, if you keep, I'll get irritation. Let's see here. This is L, this is B, this is H. Base is L into B. Side is B into H. And this is all our H's, no children. And front and back is front is LH. Front is LH. Now, can anyone say CSA? CSA means no roof, no floor. Four sides. No roof, no floor. Only four sides. Four sides means side walls and front and back. Side walls is BH. Here one more BH. One front wall. One back wall. One back wall. Side wall BH, side wall BH. Front wall LH, back wall LH. So how much is this, teacher? Children, 2BH plus 2LH. So 2H into L plus B is CSA. Okay, children. Now TSA. What is TSA, children? Anyone?
Including roof and bottom.
Including roof and bottom.
Bottom.
Okay, children. So for this only, BH is side wall, BH is side wall. LH is front wall, LH is back wall, and LB is down, LB is up. So two BHs are there, two LHs are there, two LBs are there. So what is common in all of them? Two, children. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. This is TSA. TSA means four walls up and down. Four walls up and down, children. Okay, children. And last one, children. What is a volume? Volume of cuboid is LBH. Okay, and since in cube all sides are same, L cube, children. Whereas here LBH means L into B into H is the volume. So children, if you remember these formulas only, then you can do the sums. Okay, children. I hope you understood these formulas, children. So CSA means four walls. TSA means four walls up and down. Again, CSA means four walls of a room. TSA means four walls up and down. Chalo, children, first sum. Okay, children, we'll be using the respective formulas, children, wherever it's required. The first sum, all of you, please check, children. The first sum is given as very, without drawing figure. Don't do the sum, children, in the exam. I will not accept also pencil only with scale and pencil. Okay, children, there is a plastic box, children, without figure. I won't accept any sums. A plastic box is there like this. Okay, a plastic box is there. 1.5 meter long, 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide. Okay, children, and 65 centimeters deep. 65 centimeters deep. Okay, children, it is opened at the top. Top is open. Ignoring the thickness, area of the sheet, cost of sheet. Area of the sheet is asking, children. Area of sheet is asking, and cost at the rate of 1 meter square cost 20 rupees. Anyone wants to say, children, how do you find out area of the sheet? No top, it seems. Four walls and base is there. Four walls are there, base is there. Anyone wants to say, children? Four walls are there, base are there, children. Area is equal to CSA, means four walls, plus base. What is base formula, children? Base formula L, B, I.
D.
LB, children. Base is LB, children. Try to understand, children. No one is understanding. The people are not concentrating. The four walls is CSA and the base is LB, up is LB. Since up is not there, he said in the question, up is not there. Base alone, I kept four walls plus base. Four walls plus base. What is the four walls of a CSA of a cuboid, children? What is the CSA of cuboid? 2H into
2H. L plus B.
L plus LB. Okay, children. Now can anyone say at least substitution, children? 2 into
2 into 6.5.
65 by 100 because 65 centimeters.
Okay, sir.
L is 1.5.
1.5 plus 1.25 plus 1.5 into 1.25.
Okay, children, please check, children, all of you. Okay, so this is 2 into 0.65. 1.5 plus 1.25 is 2.75.
2.75.
15 5 is 75, 15 to the 30, 15 1 15, 18. So 1.875. Can anyone do this calculations and tell me 2 into 0.65 into 2.75?
2. So 2.75. Sir, 3.575.
3.575. 3.575 plus 1.875, anyone?
Sir, 5.45.
Yeah, thank you, Nana. Okay, at least 80 plus people are responding anyway. 90 plus people are more interested. 5.45 centimeter square, children, is area of sheet
She.
required. Area of the sheet required is 5.45 meters square. Now, cost of the sheet, children, cost of sheet. Cost of sheet is, children, 1 meter square, he is saying 20 rupees. 1 meter square is 20 rupees. What is 5.45 meter square cost is asking. Okay, children, so 5.45 into 20 rupees, children.
Sir,
So
109.
109 rupees is cost of
Sheet.
making sheet. Cost 109 rupees is the cost of making the sheet. Yes, any doubt, anyone? Anyone have any problem, children?
No, sir.
So children, four walls I took, children, down I took, children. Four walls I took, down I took. Up is empty, children. Up is open. He only said in the question, children, up is empty. So four walls plus base I took, children. Base means LB. Side is BH. And front is LH. Okay. Next sum, children. Next sum. Okay, children. Next sum, children. See here, all of you. So the length, breadth, and height of a room are 5, 4, 3, children. Children, see here. 5, 4, 3. The length, breadth, height of a room are 5, 4, 3. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls and ceiling. Children, again he's saying walls and ceiling, area of walls and ceiling. Can anyone say what to do, children? Walls and ceiling he wants, it seems.
Sir, area of the four walls and CSA
Yes,
plus
and
L into B.
L into B.
Okay, try to understand, children. CSA into LB. CSA is 4 walls and ceiling is LB, children. And what is the formula for CSA, anyone?
The
2H
2H
L plus
into
B
L
2
plus
h
plus
B.
into
LB
L plus
plus
B.
LB.
Which it helps me. Okay, okay. So next, Tekshita, can you tell me substitution? Tekshita. Tekshita, can you tell me substitution? This is length, this is breadth, this is height. Tekshita, can you tell me substitution? Tekshita, can you tell me substitution?
Yes, sir.
When should I call you on? First,
2 into 3
2 into
into 5
3,
into 5 plus 4
5 plus 4 plus
plus 5 into 4
5 into 4. 5
4
into 4. Okay,
4
now tell, you only tell. 2 3s
equals
are
6
9 plus
into 5
4.
plus 4 9 plus 20
Okay, tell. 9 6 are
54 plus 20
how much, Amma?
74.
Meter square. And he's saying, Amma, 1 meter square is 750. 1 meter square rupees is 750. So 74 meter square, how much, Amma? Yeah, can anyone tell me the
Sir,
calculation?
sir, 555. 555.
Cost of cost of painting, ceiling, and four walls. Cost of painting, ceiling, and four walls is 555 rupees. How much, children? This is the area to be painted. This is area to be painted, and cost of one square meter is 750. 1 meter square, if you want to paint, 7 rupees 50 paisa painters will take. And at the rate of this 74 meter square, if you want to paint, you have to pay 555 rupees. Okay, children, next time. Next one, children. All of you, please check, children. Third one. The floor of a rectangle hall is 250 meters. Children, there is a floor of rectangular hall. Children, rectangular hall means what, children? Anyone? Rectangular hall means what, children?
Cuboid.
Sir, cuboid.
Cuboid. So perimeter of base is saying 250. Perimeter of base is 250 meters. The perimeter of the base means this is the perimeter, children. The perimeter of the floor is 250 meters, he said. If the cost of painting the four walls, children, four walls, cost of painting is given as 10 rupees per meter square is 15,000 rupees. Find the height. He is asking height, children. So children, try to understand. 1 meter square if you want to paint, it is 10 rupees. 1 meter square if you want to paint, it is 10 rupees. And for how many meters square, it would have costed him 15,000 rupees. You only get total cost also. Again, I'm saying 1 meter square, 10 rupees. For how many meters square area? It costed him 15,000. Cross multiplication, x into 10 is equal to 15,000. So x is equal to 1500 meter square is area of four walls. Children, area of four walls is how much, children? 1500 meter square. The area of four walls is 1500 meter square. To paint 1500 meter square, it costed him 15,000 rupees. Now, question is, what is the height? Can anyone say what is the area of four walls formula? Area of four walls?
2h into
2h
L
L
plus
plus
2h into
2h into L plus.
Area of four walls is 2h into L plus V. Area of four walls we got as 1500, children. Area of four walls we got as 15 into L V, and H you want 2 into L plus B. Do you remember formula of 2 into L plus B is what, children? It's a perimeter of,
rectangle.
yeah, perimeter of rectangle formula is 2 into L plus B, and that he gave it as 250. Perimeter, he only gave directly 250. Take 250 down. H is equal to beauty audio 1500 by 250. Please see, children, 6 meters is height of rectangular hall. Try to understand, children. If you don't understand, again it will become difficult for you to practice. Write exam, children. Very important, children. Four walls to paint at this cost, it costed him 15,000. At this cost, it costed him 15,000. So how many meters square is 1500 meters square is the area of four walls. Area of four walls formula is 2h into L plus B. How you got? I told you the introduction only. So 2 into L plus B is perimeter, which he gave 250. I took 250. This h I kept. H I got at 6 meters. 6 meters is the height of the rectangular wall. Please try to understand, children. 6 meters is the height of rectangular wall. Children, is my video clear, children? Anyone, please let me know.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
My voice is clear?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, children. Fourth sum. Okay, children, fourth sum. So, the paint in certain container is sufficient to paint. There is a container. In the container, the paint is sufficient to paint 9.375 meters square. How many bricks? What is a brick? What is a brick? Cuboid, children.
Cuboid.
Cuboid.
Brick is a cuboid, children. Brick is a cuboid. How many bricks can be painted with the paint whose dimensions is 22.5 centimeter, 7.5 centimeter, I'm sorry, 10 centimeter, and 7.5 centimeter. Brick dimensions are given, children. He's asking how many bricks can be painted with this paint. So, area of paint is equal to n into TSA of bricks. Try to understand, children. With the paint which is available in the container, we can paint n number of bricks. With the paint which is available in the container, we can paint n number of bricks. Again, I'm saying, with the paint which is available in the container, we can paint n number of bricks. So n is equal to area of the paint which is there in a container by TSA. What is TSA, children? Anyone?
Total surface area.
2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Try to understand, children. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, children, try to see, children. So 9.375 meters square by, I'm taking centimeters as it is, children. All I'm taking in centimeters only. I don't want to change. 2 into, what is LB, children? LB.
So 22.5.
22.5 into 10.5.
What is BH, children? What is BH? 10
Sir,
into 7.
10 into 7.5.
What is HL children? Anyone?
Sir, 7.5 into
7.5 into
22.5.
22.5.
0.5. Children, try to understand. Can anyone say how to convert meter square to centimeter square? How to convert meter square to centimeter square, children?
Into 100.
No, into 100 into 100. 1 meter is 100 centimeters, but
Into
meter square,
1000.
no? Try to understand, children. 1 meter is 100 centimeters, but meter square, so 100 into 100. Again, I'm saying 1 meter is 100 centimeters, but meter square, so 100 into 100. And 2 into 22.5 into 10, 225. 10 into 7.5, 75.
75.
Can anyone help me with calculator? 22.5 into 7.5 is how much?
Sir, the final answer is 46. 400. Sir, should I say the final answer?
Shut your mouth and tell me this.
168.7.
168.75.
75.
168.75. Okay, children. So n is equal to 9.375 into 100 into 100 is, children, 1, 2, 3, 4. Point will come 1, 2, 3, 4. So 93750 by 2 into 225 into 75 is how much, children? 300. 300 into 168.5 is how much, children? 468.75. Okay, children. So n is equal to 93750 by 2 into 468.75, children. 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, 15, 2 8s are 16, 17, 2 6s are 12, 13, 2 4s are 8, 9. So this will come here, children, because point is there. Now, if I remove this point, 93750, if I remove this point, 2 zeros will come. So 93750. 9375, 9375 gone. This gone. So 2 zeros are left over. 100 bricks can be painted. With the paint which is available, 100 bricks can be painted. You have to check, children. Again, I'm saying this is the paint which is available in the container. With this paint, he can paint n number of TSA of bricks. N number of TSA of bricks. That n we should find out. So n is equal to, this will go down area by this TSA. If I did that, I got 100 bricks can be painted with this paint. Again, I'm saying 100 bricks can be painted with the paint which is there in the container. 100 bricks can be painted red color or whatever color they'll paint for children. So 100 bricks can be painted. Okay, children? I hope you are comfortable, children. Next one, children. Fifth one. Please, children, try to understand. Yeah, fifth one. A cuboidal box of edge 10 centimeters. Children, cuboidal box of edge 10 centimeters. Cuboidal box of edge 10 centimeters, children. All sides are 10, children. All sides are 10. And another cuboidal box is there. There is another cuboidal box is there, children. A cube is there and another cuboid is there. Try to understand, children. You should know the difference between cube and cuboid. This is length is 12.5 centimeter. Breadth is 10 centimeter. And height is 8 centimeter. Which has greater CSA and by how much? Which has greater PSA by how much? Can anyone say what is the CSA of cuboid formula?
2h into L
2h
plus B.
into L plus B.
4L
2h into
square.
L.
PSA formula, cube anyone?
6L square.
6L
X square.
CSA of cuboid?
2h L into L plus B.
2H L plus B.
Which into L plus B. TSA formula?
2
2
into
into
L,
LB
LB plus
LB plus
BH
BH
plus
plus
HL.
HL. Now tell me, now who will tell? Yashasvi, you tell me, Yashasvi. Tell me the substitution, please.
Yes, sir.
4 into 10 into 10.
10 into 10.
How much? 400
400.
centimeters square.
Yes.
Next. Lahari, can you tell me the substitution?
Sir, 6 into 10 into 10.
How much, Amma?
100.
Yeah. Next. Next. Neeraj, can you tell me substitution?
Yes, sir.
2 into
CS is equal to 2 into 8. L is equal to 12.5 plus 10.
okay.
For TSA, Okay, that one 10,
360 centimeters square. 360.
uh,
Okay. Tanmay, can you tell the substitution?
Yes, sir.
360 centimeters total.
I did off Nana. Tanmay, tell the substitution 2 into
2 into 12.5 into 10 plus 10 into 8 plus
plus
8 into 12.5.
12.5. Yes, Nana. So 12.5 to 10.
125 plus
Okay.
80
Plus 12.5 to 8 is how much? 8 5 are 40, 8 16, 25, 8, 9, 10. 100. This is 100. So 2 into 125 plus 100 is 225. 225 plus 80 is 305. 305 plus 2 is 610. So children, what is the difference between this and this? 10. Can anyone say what is the difference between this and this?
40.
40. This is 40. This in CSA, this is more. In TSA, this is more, children. See the funny thing? In CSA, this is more. In TSA, this is more, children. For the same calculations. Okay, children, I hope you enjoyed this one. Next one. Next one, children. A small indoor greenhouse. Children, greenhouses means they are made up of glasses, children. In cold countries where much sunshine is not available, in greenhouses they will grow the plants, children. In some of the movies also you might have seen, children. Greenhouses are made up of glasses where plants are grown because glass have capacities to trap the sunlight by greenhouse effect. Okay, children. And the measurements are 30, 25, 25, children. This is 30, 25, 25, children. Okay, so he say as first question is what is the area of the glass required and how much tape is required for 12 inches. Area of the glass means what you find out? TSA. So what is the formula of TSA, children? 2 into
2 LB plus BH
LB
plus
plus BH
LH.
plus HL.
Can anyone tell the substitution?
2 into
Into 30
30
into
into 25 plus that 25 into
25
25
into
plus
25
plus
25 into
25 into
30 into
25
20.
plus 25 into that
Okay.
750 plus 625 plus 750. 750 plus 750 15 okay.
So 4250 centimeters square is the area of the glass required to make this greenhouse, children. Okay, this much area of glass is required. And what is the children? It is like aquarium you think, children. To stick them here, we'll put plaster on, children. Okay, here. How much tape is required for all 12 edges? How many edges are there, children? How many edges are there, children? 12 edges are there, children. So total length of the tape required to stick it, children. So tell me, children, 30. How many 30s are there?
4.
1, 2,
4.
3,
4
4. 4 30s are there. Tell me, children, how many 25s are there?
4.
4
Very
4
good. 4 25s are there. Tell me, children, how many 25s are there? Heights 1, 2,
4
4.
4
or 25s are there. So children, 120 plus 100 plus 100, that is 320 centimeters of tape is needed to fix all sides. To fix all sides, children, 320 centimeters of tape is needed. Okay, children. Next one. Children, there is a sweet shop, children, and sweet shop name is Shanti Sweet Stall. Okay, children, don't get more watering, children, by hearing to the name of sweet shop. Now, Shanti Sweet Shop is there. They want to order two size boxes for their sweet. One is small size box. You know all sweet boxes, my children. How they will be. They are the rectangular containers only. Two boxes they want to order, children. One is small box. One is big box, children. One is big box, like this. The measurements of the small box are happen to be the bigger dimensions are 25, 25, 25, 25 centimeters. Okay, and for the smaller containers, dimensions are 15 cm, 15 cm, and 12 cm and 5 cm. 15, 12, 5 cm children. 15, 12 and 5 cm children. Okay, so for all overlaps, 5% of TSA is required extra. 5% here required extra for the overlaps. Children, overlaps means you understood. 5% required extra. If you keep a box, children, when you put a box, children, do you remember, children, sides overlaps will come, children. It's a box only, but sides overlaps will be there, no, children. You understood,
Yes,
children?
sir.
When you keep a box, overlaps. These are called overlaps. When you keep a box, top overlaps will come. 5% extra is needed, children. 5% extra is needed, and the cost of cardboard is 4 rupees per 1,000 centimeters square. Here also 4 rupees per 1,000 centimeters square, children. 1,000 centimeters. Find the cost of making 250 boxes. This 250 boxes you want. This also 250 boxes you want, children. So, see, children, slowly I will do. First we will find TSA. What is the formula of TSA? 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So TSA 2 into 15 into 12. 12 into 5 plus 15 into 5. Yes, children? Yes. So 2 into 12 5 is 60, 180 plus 60 plus 75. How much is that, children? 2 into 240. 240, and this is 240 plus 75 is how much? 3?
15.
315. So 630. 630 centimeters square is TSA of small box. In the same way, can anyone help me out in finding TSA of big box, children? TSA of big box, 2 into 25 into 20 plus 20 into 5 plus
25 into 5.
25 into 5. Okay, children.
So
So
2 into
500
50, 5.
100 plus
125.
125. How much, children? 2
1000.
into 725. How much, children?
1050.
1450 centimeters square is TSA of big box. This is small box. Now, what is the 5% of 630 centimeters square? What is the 5% of 630 centimeters square? Children, 5% of 630 centimeters square is how much, children? So 5 3s are 15, 5 6 are 30, 31 by 10, that is 31.5. This is required extra. What is the 5% of 1450, children? What is the 5% of 1450, children?
72.5.
72.5. This is also required extra. Okay, children. So for 630, you add the 631.5, children. 631.5 centimeters square is area of one box, including extra. Here, how much, children? Anyone? 1450 plus 72.5 is how much, children? 15
502.5.
centimeter square is area of one box, including the extra, children. Now, how many boxes are needed, children? 250 boxes.
250 boxes.
250 boxes are needed. Here also, children, 250 boxes are needed, like this 250 box. Now, see the cost, children. See the cost. 1,000 centimeter square cost 4 rupees. Try to understand. 1,000 centimeters cost 4 rupees. Then try to understand. 631.5 into 250 centimeters costs how much? See, children, 631.5 into 250 centimeters cost how much? This into this by this. 631.5 into 250 into 4 by 1000. Okay, 254 is a 1000, 254 is a 1000, and the cost of making 250 box is 631.5 rupees. Here also same, children. Here also same. I wanted to go in the same method. Children, same method. 1,000 centimeters square to make is 4 rupees, children. To make this many boxes, how many boxes? 1522.5 into 250 centimeter square boxes. How much? How much is that? 1522.5 into 250 into 4 by 1000. This gone. Again, how much children? 1522.5 rupees for big boxes. For big boxes, this much. For small boxes, this much. If you want, you can add both of them, children. If you want, you can add both of them. This is how you are going to do, children. Okay, children? Those who need to understand. Again, I'm saying slowly. First, you have to find TSA. Then find 5%. Add that 5%. 1000 centimeters is 4 rupees. This many boxes is how many rupees? 1000 centimeters square is 4 rupees. This many centimeters square is how many rupees? So I got 631.5. Again, I'm saying children here, TSA find out, 5% you find out, add it, this much area you got. 1000 centimeters square is 4 rupees. This many boxes. How many boxes? 1.22.5 into 250 boxes. How much? I got this much rupees. Okay, children? Like this. Next. Last sum for the day, children. You have so many sums. You have to practice, children. If you don't practice, you'll have 1 second, children. Please go to the next sum, last sum for the day. I have did enough number of sums today. So Parveen wanted to make temporary shelter for her car. Children, can anyone say, if you want to make a shelter for car, what you will do? Yes, children, anyone? The shelter for a car, anyone?
Sir, we'll take CSA and above one, sir.
Very
The
good.
top one.
Means what do you want to say? What do you want to say? You want to say that?
CSA plus.
Floor will not be there. She's
Yes,
saying,
sir.
Nandika is saying the floor won't be there because if you put floor also, how you will put car right? All of you know, no? Car will have 4 walls and up ceiling will be there. So from up we'll put the cover. So she's saying the area of the shelter is CSA
CSA
4 walls plus roof.
Plus roof.
Yes, children. Very good, fantastic. So what is the measurements they have given, children? Length is 2.5 meter and breadth is 4 meter and 3 meter. This is the measurements they have given. Okay, children. So 4 walls means what, children? 2h into L plus B. And roof is how much, children? Anyone in the roof formula? Roof.
Sir, H into.
LB. This is LB, this is always. Okay, children, so 2 into measurements.
3 into 2.5 plus 4 plus 2.5 into 4.
2.5 plus 4 is how much? 6.5.
6.5.
2.5 plus 4, 10.
10.
39 plus 10, how much, children?
49.
49 meters square of cloth is needed to make the car shelter. 49 meters square. Again, I'm saying, children, down you will not put anything because you want to put car, no children. So down won't be there. It's 4 walls plus ceiling. 4 walls plus ceiling. 4 walls plus ceiling. 4 walls is 2h into L plus B. Ceiling is LP. So 49 meters square is the area of the cloth required to make the car shelter. Okay, children, practice each sum 3 times and submit as homework, children. I will see those who are not submitting. I will tell to their parents tomorrow. Okay, children, thank you so much.